Hello, students of semester 3rd of English Honours. According to the syllabus in CC5, along with the two long questions, there will be 4 passages of explanations. 2 from the tragic drama Othello and 2 from the comedy drama She Stoops to Conquer. At present, I am explaining the 2 extracts of explanation of Othello. In Act 2, Scene 1, Iago delivers something to Desdemona about the nature of a woman. The extract is like this: come on, you are pictures out of doors, bells in your parlors, wildcats in your kitchens, saints in your injuries, devils being offended, players in your housewifery, and housewives in your bed. These lines have been taken from Act 2, Scene 1. In these lines, Iago is censoring the nature of a woman in general. To Desdemona, Iago says that woman is the essence of meaningful contradiction. She is just the opposite of what she should be. He says that women show themselves as fair and pleasant as pictures when they are out of doors, but inside their own drawing rooms of their own houses they are noisy, as talkative as chiming bells. Inside the kitchen with the maidservants they are as quarrelsome as wild cats. While they injure others, they put on air of saintliness. When angry, they are like devils infuriated. In their duties of their household, when they should be busy, they are trafiers. Inside their beds, instead of being quiet and busy and peaceful, they are busy and very active. Thus, women are exactly opposite of what they should be. This is the explanation of first extract. Now I am trying to read out the second extract of Act 2, Scene 3. In this extract, Othello is delivering to Desdemona, "O my soul's joy, if after some tempest comes, may the window blow till they have wakened death, and let the labouring bark climb hills of seas, Olympus high and duck again as low as hills from heaven. If it were now to die, it were now to be most happy. For I fear my soul hath her content so absolute that not another comfort like to this succeeds in unknown fate.